Hello everybody. Today we've got the demonstration of my 52-inch white Hampton Bay Quick Connect from 2003. I got this fan from my friend who was in his house and gave it to me. And this is a video of it with the white blades and after cleaning and fixing it up. It literally only needs to be cleaned, that was the only thing. It's mechanically perfect. But yeah, I think it looks better after I cleaned it. Got a little bit of the shine back to the paint. And yeah, let's go ahead and start it up on low. Also, a lot of the scratches came out of the paint, which is good. Very good. Still got a very nice load to it. I think the switch housing is a bit bent, so I'll have to fix that at some point. But like, it looks fine. I love these fans. I'm very happy that I have one. I'm very happy that I found a set of blades that fit on it without having to like modify them. Because if I didn't have these white blades, we would be stuck with those teak blades, which weren't horrible, but I like the white ones better. It's moving air, but it's not much. I mean, it's going pretty slow. All good. Let's go to medium. One of the blade irons is bent up a little bit. So it does in fact wobble on high. I haven't seen it wobble on the other two speeds yet. And very soon, maybe over the break, I'll be getting my replacement blade irons for that Barcelona ceiling fan that I got like a month ago. And I'll have to replace the bearings in the CEC close mount ceiling fan, but then I can show that one as well. I'm sitting over here across the room and I can feel plenty of air kicking up. This will probably go in the room at some point. Maybe not soon, because I've got a couple fans that I want to put in there for sure. Only two, really. The White Star I want to put in there, and the St. Vincent I want to put in there. I think we're going to do the St. Vincent as a Christmas thing. And like exactly a month after the Victorian comes down, we're going to put up the White Star. And the White Star will be in there for about a month, and then we'll put up the St. Vincent. Yeah, this is a good looking fan. I love it. It's still a little bit droopy. Actually, it might not be, I don't know. I think it is just a tad bit droopy. It's all fine though. I'm happy with how it turned out. by modifying just barely a couple parts. I've got 2 new ceiling fans. That's the Savoy House Artesano thing, and this one. And I feel like people love the quick connect so good. I got it fixed. Let's go to high. Yeah, there's your wobble. Not the fastest fan in the world, probably because it's got those big hunter blades on it. Now it's moving a ton of air, by the way. It's very quiet. There's like no motor noise. There's no bearing noise. It's all air noise, which is great. I love that. Well, I guess let's go ahead and shut her off now. See how long spin down is. I feel like it was pretty good before, but I don't know. I don't remember. And it surprises me. This is like a very SMC fan. It's got that little SMC tiny baby motor inside of it. So I thought the bearings would have been toast, but they're not. Okay. Good job, SMC. Or maybe this just sat in his basement for ages. Then I would have no clue where the blades went, because this was in his house forever. Or it was in his house at one point, and they replaced it. And the blades have not been found. I guess the bearings are pretty good. When I sit on this couch over here and I talk, my voice echoes through all the drums that are around me. The kit that I've set up and the 2 that I've stacked up in the corner. So yeah, it's gonna go ahead and end the video right there. The bearings aren't too bad. But thank you guys for watching the demo of my Hampton Bay Quick Connect with new blades and after being cleaned. Hope you enjoyed and see you again soon. Goodbye.